In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to collaborate with your team using comments and mentions in Asana Free Plan 2025. Whether you're coordinating deadlines or sharing quick updates, keeping discussions inside Asana helps your team stay aligned and keeps all context in one place. Start by logging into your Asana account on a desktop or a laptop. The desktop experience gives you a clear view of projects and tasks, which makes collaboration easier. Once you're in, navigate to the project where you want to collaborate. You can use the sidebar or search to find it quickly. Make sure you're in the correct workspace or organization so your teammates can see what you post. Inside your project, choose the task you want to discuss. Click the task to open its details panel on the right. This panel is where everything lives for that task: description, assignee, due date, and importantly, the conversation. Scroll down to the comments section at the bottom of the task panel. This is where you'll add updates, ask questions, and keep a running record of decisions. Click inside the comment box and type your message. Be clear and concise and reference specifics like the subtask or due date you're talking about to reduce back and forth. If you're drafting a longer note, use short paragraphs so it's easy to skim. And if you need a new line without posting, press Shift plus Enter to keep writing. To mention a teammate, type the @ symbol followed by their name, then select them from the list that appears. This creates a direct mention that draws their attention to this task and your comment. Mentions are most effective when you include exactly what you need, like a quick question, a request for review, or a handoff note. Keep in mind, the person you mention needs access to the task or project to view it, so make sure they're part of the team or added as a collaborator. When your message is ready, press Enter to post your comment. As soon as it's posted, your teammates will receive a notification. Depending on their settings, they might see it in the Asana inbox, as an email, or as a mobile push. This makes it easy to respond in real time and keeps conversations tied to the work, not scattered across different apps. Use comments and mentions to discuss tasks, ask quick questions, and give timely updates. Summarize decisions as you make them so the task's history stays clear. And mention the right people to keep momentum moving. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.